BCom third sem a computer application subject. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of formula. This question was asked in the 2019. What is formula and write the steps to enter a formula in MS Excel with example. So now we will see what is the definition of the formula and what are the features of the formula and how we are going to enter a formula in a cell with an example. So what is formula? Formula or the expression contain one or more operands and operator to provide an output. Exactly right. We need at least two operands to operate and we can get a output. So operator may be a plus, minus, into, divide, any the sign. So operands means two numbers which we call it as an operands that we want to perform on that operands to provide an output. So these are the instructions that tell the Excel what and how to calculate. So we tell Excel to calculate the values supplied through the range of a cell by using a functions or expressions, and we can get a written result. So there are some features regarding the formulas. The first one, the written value of a formula can be used in other formulas. Obviously we can easily use the written value of the formula we use it in the another formula. The second one, the formulas can be used and display the result using a scientific notation. So we need to show the scientific notation before we are going to enter a formula. Third one, the formula are precious only up to 15 digits. The fourth one, the result of a formula may be in the large enough to show it in a standard width column. For example, a formula b1 plus b2 divided by 100. So here b1 and b2 are the two operands which we are going to operate with the help of plus operator. So next we are going to see how we are going to enter a formula into a cell. So there are mainly three steps to enter a formula, though there are following steps to be considered. So we have to decide the first what formula or expression we are going to use and what are the variables in the formula which we will be referring as a data or a data range of a certain cells. So there are three steps mainly. The first one, select the cell where we want to enter a formula. Exactly, we have to select a cell with the help of a mouse where we are going to enter our formula. So second step, before entering a formula we have to type equal sign to tell Excel that we are entering a formula. That is a sign that we are going to enter a formula in Excel sheet. The third one, then enter a formula using referenced input values that we call it as an operands and appropriate mathematical operators called plus, minus, into, divide consist our formula. So which operator we are going to use, we have to write that one. So can we see the below example they have given? Consider the example shown in a figure point 11. So we can see the table also they have given in the figure 1.11. They have made sum and discount. A column and B column. A column contains a item, the list of item, and the B column contains the amount. So we are making a list of items and their prices. We have made a grand total and discount of 5%, and after the discount how much the payable amount also displayed. So consider an example. Here there are four items they have given. The function that we are going to use is equal to sum b3 to b6. So applied to a cell b8 gives a submission, means the grand total, the total amount of the items ranging from b3 to b6. So B3, B column and third row. So B6, B column and sixth row. So from that range, what are the amount is there now? We have to make it a grand total. After that, now to calculate a 5% of a total discount. So we use the formula B8 into 5 divided by 100. So B8 is our grand total. So B8 into 5 divided by 100. So where B8 refers to the cell where we have having a grand total, and 5 by 100 is for the 5%. So this formula is entered at cell B10. So it can be seen in the formula bar in the following figure. So at last the calculator payable amount, we subtract the discount amount B10 cell from the grand total. For that we have to select a B12 cell and enter the formula, that is equal to B8 minus B10. So actual payable amount we can get. So this question was asked in the 2019 for the 5 marks. I hope you understood this one. Thank you.